Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new 2023 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. So make sure to watch the full video. Available again until early November. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is undoubtedly the most brutal vehicle in the Kawasaki model range. But it is also the finest, as it is only handmade in Japan to order. Interested parties can now have their names written on the list again. Crazy performance in the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. To this day, Kawasaki makes a statement with the Supercharged Engine. Whether in the ZE-H2 naked bike, the Ninja H2 SX Sports Tourer, or in this super athlete, the acceleration is simply incredible. In the non-road legal Kawasaki H2R, the 999cc inline four-cylinder achieves 310 horsepower. With the ram air effect, the value even increases to 326 horsepower. Thanks to the extensive electronics package, the Kawasaki also brings the power to the road, as GPS measurements by the Bikers Club colleagues prove. The sprint from 0 to 200 kilometers per hour takes just 6.5 seconds. Pure enthusiasm during the test. It's expensive and only built to order, so there aren't many Kawasaki Ninja H2Rs around. Accordingly, it is difficult to get hold of a model. In today's world, a direct comparison with the supersport rockets from other manufacturers would be exciting, because it's been 7 years since we had an H2R in our hands. Nasty Nils was at the presentation in 2015 and drew a clear conclusion after his racetrack turns with the Kawasaki. Kawasaki Ninja H2R, availability and price. If you want to own one of these non-road legal motorcycles, you have to make a decision quickly. The 2023 Kawasaki Ninja H2R can be ordered until November 8, 2022. But you have to dig a little deeper into your pocket. In Germany, the price of the Ninja H2R is 55,450 euros, including transfer, with a volume of 120 dBA. However, you have to check on which racetracks the bike can be used. What do you think about the new Kawasaki Ninja H2R? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.